Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to episode 12 of an overhaul on a non-Rex Bolex. Here we've got continued rusted screws, gears, and mechanisms. So I've been working here with this section and have finally gotten some movement, as we can see, and can start to remove these screws. Sometimes it's easier than others. Again, with the Bolex, you're working with 4 types of metals. Okay, so there you have it there. I'll take these other screws out and the parts, and I'll start cleaning. Okay, I do want to show you, once I've gotten down to my last screw right here, okay, you simply remove that, and the plate, as you know, there's a plate on the top and bottom. I'll flip it over and you can see this one right here, and they do remove. All right, so just pull it straight off, just like that. We'll have to clean that, pull that rust off. That should be easily done with a metal polish or oven cleaner, whichever way. Focus again, there we go. And again, if you decide to service or repair your Bolex yourself, any mistakes made upon your person or to your Bolex are on you. Alright, so next, let's get into this section right here. Okay, on this screw, as we can see, I have movement. On this one, no. At the end of my pencil eraser. Although I've tried in vain many times, this is a typical issue. So, it's time for some 3-in-1. Lubricating oil, so we'll put a little bit on there. And let that sit for a while. And keep attempting to free that up. Next, go ahead and go with this screw here in this gear. There we go. Alright, since we removed the screw from the top of this set of gear here, so it's really rusted in, so a lot of dirt. This is a little washer up top, by the way, here. And we're just gonna work that up. That was simple enough, thankfully. Put that off to the side. And let's see how, we got some movement there. Before it wasn't moving at all. So let's see if we can pull this up. Oof. Got a good bit of rust on it. Alright, so as we can see, a lot of rust there. That was preventing movement, and also from the camera locking up after so many decades. And there you go. All that rust has got to be cleaned. All of it. Alright, so let's get going. Okay, just want to point this out to you with this particular set of gears right here, this piece. Just want to let you know this is a prime example why you want a knowledgeable service technician repairing your Bolex. However, if you intend to go this deep, do be warned that It's two separate pieces. Okay? There is also in here a spring. Including, if I can get it out, there's a washer. If I can get it out of there, generally it just pops right out. There it is. So these are the parts, and these are parts you don't want to lose. Next, I have this screw here at the end of my pencil eraser, and as you can see, good thing I do have movement. However, with this screw, I do not. So, once again, it's adding some 3-in-1. And we'll have to let that sit for a while. Okay, I've started to polish up some of this plate right here using some liquid metal polish and one of these tools or polisher, and you will need one of these particular adapters right here, as you can see, and that will just press down on here and get your polishing job. Is it worth it? Is it necessary? Yes, it is, because anytime you get all the areas cleaned of all that corrosion, you can see I got more to go right here, but I'm still doing this overhaul, so it's pointless for me to really go too much farther. This is just for you, so you can get an idea. It will make everything, all the parts, run and operate much smoother. You're simply getting all that old corrosion out of the way. Alright? So there we are. Until next time, with more videos like this on Bolex, do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for parts, questions, and servicing. The same. Email bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com. Do click that bell down there and subscribe. And for lovers of gory experimental horror films, do visit at the Morbid Team Entertainment FB page. Until next time, see ya!